I serve this with dinner, but it probably should be a dessert. The topping is like toffee. It's got cinnamon and butter and brown sugar, and inside it's creamy, sweet noodles. This is my Noodle Kugel. So here's how easy it is to put the Noodle Kugel together. We've got all the wet ingredients in here, we've got the pasta in here, and we've got our baking dish that has been greased with butter. And I use butter because it's also in the wet mix, and I want to make sure that all those flavors support each other, so I wouldn't want to use olive oil in there. But all we do is blend up the wet ingredients. Probably have to turn it on first. All right, so blend up the wet ingredients. We're just gonna pour it in with the pasta and get it all mixed together. All right, so make sure you get every little bit of that creamy goodness into the pan along with the pasta. And don't worry if it seems really watery. That's the right way that it should be, because once it goes into the oven, the pasta is gonna absorb all of that creamy goodness, and boy, is it gonna be delicious. My favorite part of the Noodle Kugel is the crunchy, sweet topping, and I'm absolutely certain it's my kids' favorite as well. It's so easy to make, so I have all the ingredients here in the bowl. It's just basically a mixture of cinnamon, sugar, and flour. You mix it together and then add in the butter. So this is about what you want. You've got some little pea-sized clumps that kind of gather together. It's not real wet, but it also isn't so dry that it looks like sand. All right, so that is all of that delicious, crisp topping that is going to get nice and crunchy once it's been baked in. Look at how good that is. Now we just put it in the oven.